Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time I'm going to go over to Radar Online, and this is in the exclusive slash court column. And it says Charlamagne the God demands assault lawsuit be thrown out of court, says DNA evidence proves his innocence. Uh, the article is by Ryan Naumann. And it says Charlamagne the God has demanded a federal court judge dismiss the lawsuit brought by the woman who accused him of assault at a 2001 party, Radar Online has learned. According to the court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, the Breakfast Club host has denied all allegations of wrongdoing in the case. As we first reported last year, alleged victim Jessica Reed sued Charlamagne for alleged assault and battery and defamation. Okay. In 2018, the blast broke the story. In 2001, the radio host was arrested on a warrant stemming from a charge of criminal sexual conduct with adolescents in the second degree for an incident that allegedly occurred a month before. Court documents accused the then 22-year-old Charlamagne of willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously engaging in intercourse with a minor. Reed's mom called the police to report her daughter had been aped. The officer was told that Reed was at a short-stay naval recreation center in Charleston, South Carolina. Upon their arrival, they found Reed intoxicated and crying uncontrollably. She accused Charlamagne of assaulting her inside a party. Reed ended up not cooperating with the investigation. Charlamagne's DNA was not found on the ape kit performed. The entertainer ended up pleading to a lesser charge of contributing to the delinquency of a minor. He was sentenced to 3 years probation. He has denied the allegations since day one. In the lawsuit, Reed said she met Charlamagne through a mutual friend. She said he invited her to attend his birthday party on June 8, 2001 at the Short Stay Naval Recreation Center. At the party, she claimed to have drank a drink provided by Charlamagne. Reed claimed the drink caused her to become dizzy and she collapsed as it felt like her legs gave out on her and she could not walk. In the lawsuit, she said 2 men took her upstairs where they assaulted her. Once they left, she said Charlamagne came in and did the same. And it continues to say Charlamagne was having intercourse with Miss Reed and she could not do anything about it. The suit read, the alleged victim was taken to a local hospital. However, she said her mom told her not to press charges. In the suit, she accused Charlamagne of defaming her when he spoke about the incident publicly years later. She said he spread false, insulting claims about her, including calling her a groupie. Reed said she was 15 when the alleged assault went down, and she is now 37, trying to get her life back. She claimed the situation has caused her emotional problems to this day. She sued seeking unspecified damages. Now, in his new filing, Charlamagne asked the court to dismiss all claims against him. He argued that Jessica Nicole Reed has came forward countless of times on social media and other media to accuse him of the assault at the house party. He said despite the undisputed facts that the DNA from the kit did not match his DNA, Reed has persisted in boldly disseminating and unsubstantiated claims, ignoring the South Carolina solicitor in 2018 denied her request to reopen the case due to lack of evidence, while confirming that no basis exists to bring assault charges against Charlamagne. The motion reads, Charlamagne said he had every right to defend himself publicly against the claims. His lawyer added, witnesses have attested to the fact that Charlamagne had already left the party when the alleged assault occurred. The radio host wants the entire suit thrown out immediately. At the time the lawsuit was filed, Charlamagne's attorney, Michael Winston, told us, we are confident that Ms. Reed's meritless civil lawsuit in which she represents herself will be promptly dismissed. This is the same assault claim that was fully investigated and dismissed by authorities in South Carolina more than 21 years ago. At the time, my client voluntarily submitted his DNA, and it was confirmed his DNA was not found on the kit performed. It is also the same matter that Ms. Reed tried to reopen in 2018 that the South Carolina Solicitor General declined to reopen, suggesting, among other things, it was not ethical to do so. And that is the end of the article right there, and the latest update in the battle for Charlamagne the God, where he is being civilly sued by a woman who allegedly accused him of an assault that occurred back in 2001. His DNA not being on the kid, why is he the only one? And I may be mistaken, so please take what I say with a grain of salt, that I know so far that has been brought up on charges of this alleged incident that happened at a party. So, it kind of makes you wonder, but then again, who knows? Only thing I know is that the courts will decide what proper way to go moving forward. And every time that I look at the case, it seems like it's very little evidence. It's not any movement other than the fact that his DNA was not present nowhere on the kit that was performed on her. So, I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I definitely love to hear from you and chop it up with you. So join me there. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching my video. And with that, I will get with you guys in the next one.